Relēver is a drug-free, easy-to-use and effective tool for relieving tension headaches, as well as pain and tension in the head, neck, and jaw. Relēver uses basic anatomic and physiologic principles to relieve tension in the jaw muscles that have a cascading effect to the head and neck. Targeted stretching of the jaw muscles has been shown to help relieve this tension and the subsequent discomfort and pain. This video will demonstrate how to stretch your jaw muscles to help relieve your tension. Relēver is a simple, easy-to-use device. First, hold Relēver comfortably by its handle in your dominant hand. Note, you will maintain full control of your stretch throughout the entire exercise routine. The suggested exercise routine is made up of 3 simple stretches. Stretch 1. Downward stretch. Place the soft tip of your Relēver on top of your lower front teeth, with the handle directly under your chin. Keeping your eyes forward and your chin up, gently pull the handle straight down until you feel a comfortable stretch. Stretch 2 and 3. Lateral stretch. Place the soft tip end of your Relēver in a comfortable location on the inside of your lower teeth, with the handle and your elbow pointing straight out to the side. Gently pull the handle, stretching your jaw to one side, providing a lateral stretch. Hold each stretch for approximately 30 seconds. We recommend performing stretches in the following order: downward stretch, right lateral stretch, another downward stretch, left lateral stretch, and another downward stretch. Repeat this pattern for a duration of 3 to 5 minutes, twice daily. These exercises can be modified to fit your needs. However, we recommend using Relēver as suggested for at least 14 days prior to reducing use to more of a maintenance routine. Do not overstretch. If you feel pain at any time while performing these stretches, discontinue use immediately. Go to www.therelēver.com today and get yours for just $12.99.